Hi, good morning. This is Kathleen Bombeck, and this video is for my 1301 class. Okay, the assignment you're working on now necessitates that you take a poem, a speech, or a short story, and you're going to do an analysis. But what you're not going to do is go line by line telling me what it means. You're going to look at the list of literary devices that you have up on Blackboard. And by the way, I'll be checking all the Blackboard links this morning because I think some of them are not working. You have a list of literary devices. You're going to pick out 2 or 3 of those literary devices that your author uses. And what you're going to write about are the use of the literary devices. Now, the sample paper that's up is pretty simple, but also pretty straightforward. I actually have a couple of sample papers up. One is a short story sample paper, and short stories, analyzing them is a little bit different, but not necessarily. For example, in his short stories, Edgar Allan Poe uses a lot of symbols and a lot of metaphors. In fact, sometimes his whole short story is a metaphor for something else. So you'll look for the literary devices that your poet, your speech maker, or your short story author uses. Now, some people think that because I put up contrast and compare information, they have to do contrast and compare. You don't. You can just do one poem or one speech, but get out that list of literary devices and make sure that you are analyzing it in terms of the literary devices. Look at the sample papers as well and see how they use literary devices to do the analysis. Now, the paper is 700 to 1,000 words long, so it's the normal length. You will have, I would suggest doing it in MLA, you will have a works cited, and you must write the proper citation for the poem or short story that you decided to use. So go to NightSite, which is under web links, go to MLA, pick out what document seems most likely to fit what you're analyzing, and write a full, complete citation. Don't give me a web page. That is not a proper citation. They need to be written correctly. As usual, I'm available to answer questions anytime, any day. I'm also in my office during office hours, and I'm available to help you then or by appointment. So let me know how it's going. Thank you. Bye bye.